1, go! And that's a start for the Champions of Vampire Battle match 1 right here in the arena. All 4 robots swiftly moving ahead into their source areas, getting those charges, placing them into their drop zone. Red squad swiftly moving ahead, getting those valuable charge points right in the drop zone. Can I hear a cheer for Red squad?
Where are the blue squad cheerleaders? We have scored 5 charges in the drop zone for the blue squad. The blue squad is not turning behind.
Referee has indicated a penalty for blue squad. Nonetheless, red squad going ahead super strong in their drop zone, getting those charges and activating the supercharge mode right at the 1 minute 40-second mark. That's an exceptional well game by red squad. Blue squad right here in the drop zone, getting that robot out from the drop zone. Red squad stacking that golden charge in their drop zone. That's an amazing gameplay. Your golden charges is the special charge that you can stack, and red squad strategizing to stack all those in top of each other. Let's get those bonus points in red squad.
The blue squad did face some technical difficulties with the robot, but they have recovered, and now the supercharge mode is on for the blue squad, giving them the benefit of collecting the golden charges and having them in the drop zone. The blue squad have now successfully placed their first golden charge in the drop zone. Both the teams are going neck to neck with the collection of charges and now collecting all those points. We are in the last 45 seconds of the match. And we are nearing the end game.
Right here, nearing to the end game, we have 30 seconds up on the clock. Red squad going for that docking in the charge station area. Blue squad still getting those charges and scoring them into their drop zone. I have a triple stack right here in the blue drop zone. Double stack in the red drop zone. 18 seconds on the clock. Both squad robots docking on the charge station, nearing to the 10-second mark, trying to achieve that parking point. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Game over! Drivers, drop your controllers. What an exceptional performance by both the squads right here in this arena. Referees analyzing the score, waiting for the final call.
Teams, what do you think? Who is the winner? Is it red? Is it blue? Red, blue, red. The cheer for the red squad says it all. We are hearing squads for blue squad as well. The referees are calculating the final scores. Is it going to be the red squad or is it going to be the blue squad? The scores are quite near. The referees are finally calculating the scores quite carefully. Please wait till we find out the actual score and the winner for Champions of Champion at the National Robotics League 2025.
Teams fully get up at the Champions of Champions battle. Referees finalizing the score. Can we have a cheer for the red squad? Where's the blue squad? Can we have a cheer for the blue squad? There we go. That's the enthusiasm. Final पे डायरेक्ट उधर डिस्प्ले होगा? नहीं, थोड़ा टाइम जाएगा. Okay, मैं बोलता हूँ पहले फिर तो दबा. Okay, requesting everyone to mount their eyes on that screen where the result is going to come. And the result will be... And it's going to be the... Red squad with 162 points in their game, in the play, getting the first win in their account at the Champions of Champions battle match 1.